Good evening, all. A poem called "And a Cat or Two." They sat, watching the sunset's changing hue, just a woman and a cat or two. Salmon, orange, pink clouds in view, one woman recalling a cat or two. Time passed slowly, dark displacing the blue, and the couple, or trio, eventually grew, as remembered souls joined the thoughtful few. The woman and her cats, now more than two, shared time and memories, refreshed anew. As the day draws to the close, so the story does too. Reliving moments now past, the natural thing to do when one has a sunset, changing hue. Oh yes, and a cat or two. Thomas said, have a wonderful day.